Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of our women's watch. The model number is NF5019. Okay, let's start. See here, there is the white box. The white box is pretty delicate. It has a really nice quality. Now let me open it. See, there is the guarantee card and the instruction manual inside the box. This one is the guarantee card. And this one is the instruction manual. It is quite clear to teach you how to adjust your new watch. Here is the watch we will unboxing today. Let me take it out. This is a Quartz standard watch. First, let's look at the back side. Here from the back side, you can know the model number of this watch. That is the NF5019, and from that you can know more information. For example, this is the stainless steel bezel, and it has the professional waterproof for 30 meters. Okay. The case diameter of this model is 31.8 millimeter, and the case thickness is 8 millimeter. The case and the strap are both stainless steel material. It is really nice, right? And the parameter is quite suitable for the small waist women. The total length of this watch is 235 millimeter. With delicate stainless steel strap and the easy adjust hook buckle, this watch is quite elegant and textured. The buckle is easy to wear too. Let me show you. Okay, it is done. The design of this watch is very beautiful. Then let's have a look at more details of this watch. There are totally 15 shiny crystal diamonds at the 3 o'clock position and of the dial and the lugs. And you can see the hand is willow leaf shaped, and it combined with smooth lines design on the sunray pattern dial, and at the 6, 9 and the 12 o'clock position, there are the Roman numeric markers, and the color of this dial is the green combined with rose gold. It is really beautiful and simple and classic. Okay, here is the watch wheel display, and I put it on my wrist. It is really nice, and it is elegant and show your simple beauty. Okay, here there are a total of 4 colors of this model here. This one is the blue dial combined with rose gold bezel and the stainless steel strap. And this one is the white silver dial combined with rose gold bezel and the stainless steel strap. And this one is the color that I talked about just now. It is the green dial combined with rose gold bezel and the stainless steel strap. And the last one color of this model is solid silver. It shows a sense of light luxury style. It is really suitable for the cold-skinned women. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF5019 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.